Back to episode 2. In today's episode, we'll be learning how to do a name input where the reader can choose whatever name they like for your episode story in 2020. So if you want to learn how to do that, keep on watching today's video.
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss.
You're going to go over to this side of your screen and start scrolling down until you see script templates. You should see a little triangle next to it. Click it and this should pop up. So all you're going to do is type in the word name and it should pop up right here. So you're just going to click it. And it's not going to let you assign a character, but that's fine, it'll still work. And just click add. Then open up the little bar. And if you preview it online on Episode Interactive, it won't show up. This is because the complex coding only will show up on the app, so you can simply just save this on the web browser and preview it on your phone, and it should work perfectly. We're not done yet. So the question is, now the reader can customize the name of the character, but how do we know what name they put? For example, let's say you have customize your name and they choose the name Sarah. Then later on, the mom has to yell for her daughter. So how you're going to do that is, what you're going to do is going to type in bracket, not braces, a bracket, first name, and close the bracket. So whatever they put is going to substitute itself into there. So instead of saying first name, it'll say Sarah. Of course, on a web browser, it's going to say first name or Autobot or error, but don't worry, it'll work perfectly on an app and the reader will be able to customize the character and you'll be able to reference it. So this can easily be put in dialogue. For example, mom, call, out, first name, get over here. For more episode tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell. And wait! I have a video right here that teaches you how to let the reader customize your character on Episode Interactive. Click over there to check that video out, and click over here to subscribe. I love you guys, and bye!
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing